Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? Yeah.
Yo, what up, guys? It's your boy AG coming at you guys with another vlog, man. It is May 30th, Friday. It's like 5:35 p.m. right now. I'm fueling up the Mustang. We're right here at the show, fueling it up. We're gonna be shooting out to the Pismo Classic Car Show at Pismo for the 31st and the 1st of June. So yeah, guys, I'm heading down to the mechanic shop to put on a new lip. Shout out to my girl for getting me that new MP Concepts lip. Really excited to throw that on. So we got prep day right now. Pretty much get some sleep, take off in the morning. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. I've never been to the Classic at the Pismo, but I've always heard about it every time I'm there, and I'm like, man, I'm gonna shoot down there this time for real. So me and my pops heading down there. We taking both Mustangs. I got my girl with me. Y'all gonna be getting used to her, man. I want y'all to meet Chloe. So yeah, get really acquainted with her. She's the one that went ahead and bought me the MP Concepts lip. I must have came home, that shit was just sitting there. It was a beautiful moment, y'all. So yeah, we heading out to my boy Aaron's shop. If y'all need any repairs, tap in with him. A&A Auto Repair. I'll be tagging him in the description. So yeah, it's looking like a fun one. Jack, I just stuffed 13 gallons in this motherfucker. Online it says you can only put 10, but they capping. I just put 13. Alright guys, we're here at the shop. Shout out to my uncle once again. Always letting me use his lifts, man. I'm broke, so maybe one day I'll have my own lift. Here I got my lip. I'm gonna be throwing on the MP Concepts lip. It just came back in stock last month, and my girl went ahead and picked it up for me, so let's go ahead and throw this sucker on. Let me give you guys a before. I'll give you guys the after right now. You got the car up pretty much. It's really easy. You just got about 25 7mm. You got 12 push clips, and then you put the under tray down, pull this off, put the other one on, and we're good to go. What do you think? Did you get all of that? All right, cool. There's really 25 of these? What the fudge? Really, Ford? All right, we got my boy Angel in here. You know what I'm saying? He's gonna help me out, give me the headlamp. We got the lip off. Now we just gotta install the other one. We good to go.
Your light is so funny.
Fuck with the kid. I'm the best mechanic ever alive, you know what I mean? It was only 25 bolts. We got it on. My uncle's laughing at me. It's all good. Look at the MP Concepts motherfucking lip. Gee wee wees. Fuck with the kid. All right, we're good. It's looking very fucking good, eh? Holy shit, that looks very good. I don't know where all the parts go, but we're gonna figure that out right now. Guys, and just like that, man, we went ahead and threw on the MP Concepts lip. Overall, not too bad, you know what I'm saying? I only had 5 leftover screws, so either I built it better than they did, or I'm just a fucking idiot. But I guess we'll find out on the road, right? Guys, and there you have it. This is the after. Overall, really super cool fit. I love the side wing lip by the fender. I must say, MP Concepts, man, you guys did your thing. They retained all of your OEM bolts, all your OEM clips. Super great fitment. I'm breathing a bit hard because I've been at it all day and I can't breathe right now. So we do got the Lagunas back on. We got my pops here. We got that boy Ease Auto Shine here. We got my mama. Tell him to fuck with the kid, eh? Yeah, I mean, he got the Mustang clean. So yeah. Tell him fuck with the kitty. Fuck with the kid. Fuck with the kid. Get your car. Oh, shit.
Hey, baby, you on my mind. Long as we spending time, girl, 'cause I gotta be next to you. Baby, you on my mind. Long as we spending time, girl, 'cause I gotta be next to you. I ain't tripping about the limelight. Come when I'm with my shouty, she keep my mind right. When we up in the mall, she fill up shopping bags. She love to pop the tag. She love to drive the Jag. Whenever we...
The next morning, Saturday morning, it's like 7:45 a.m. I just called that boy Flock Skeezy. He told me we're gonna meet up at Dutch over there on 41. I done hit the gym already. Car's prepped. We got the car packed. Babe's already ready, so we about to roll out, man. It's looking like a good day. I got my good Ford T on. You know what I'm saying? Built Ford tough, brother. Babe here. Check out her fit. Okay. She got the shorts. Okay, with the pandas. Okay. And then we got my cat right here. Charlie, say what's up, Charlie. Say what's up, vlog. My dad's leaving me. I'm very upset. Had to do a quick pit stop. We got Flock Skeezy right there looking clean, though. Yes, sir. Gotta hit that Dutch. It ain't a road trip if you ain't getting Dutch, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm thinking about getting this one, though. I screenshot this shit on Facebook. Fucking creamsicle. What y'all think? Should I do creamsicle? Or should I get a white zombie? Extra thick. That's what my girl like. I don't know. Drop a comment. I got my boy Flock Skeezer. What's your drink at, man? You know I got that white zombie with the soft top. So what's up to the vlog, bro? Shit, the shades. Chloe was like, fuck, his shit's hella low. Sheesh. Got the whips together, man. That's what I'm talking about.
On my Fridays when it's whiskey, I go back to Cincy, that Ohio. Now you trick me into buying all your shots. Got your ghost up in my Chevy.
Yeah, guys, right now we're just in Kettleman City. We ran into a lot of traffic. Got that boy Flacco right there looking mean, though. Fuck with the kid, you know what I'm saying? Man, bro, I'm doing good on gas, but I ran into this Mustang. I'm gonna put a couple clips in there. I ran into this Mustang, bro. Bro enticed me, you know what I mean? He started fucking tempting me and shit. We started spending gas. But yeah, it's crazy. If you put the S650 on cruise control, you can easily get 32 miles per gallon on Freeway 34. We already drove about 60 miles. I've only been down like 32 miles realistically, or like 22, excluding the miles that I wasted being a speeder, you know what I mean? But yeah, if y'all on the road, man, be very careful. California now has those unmarked Durangos. So if you get pulled over by an unmarked, man, count your days, brother, because he writing that ticket. What up, man? Hey, you like how that guy behind us got into it, huh?
Yeah.
He was like, oh, shit.
That dude was hella getting on your ass. So
I was like, what the fuck?
I was like,
so yeah,
what?
Guys. We got the motherfucking pony here, you know what I mean? Sheesh.
Pony.
Looking very good. New MP Concepts lip. What you think about the lip?
Dude, it's sick.
Sick, huh?
I'm ready. Homie already broke it in.
A little scratch, you know what I mean? You gotta get a little scratch. So yeah, we pulled over with the homies. Really nice Z06 you got here in yellow. Shit's fucking clean. Look at that thing. Sheesh. Then we got my buddy right here. We just ran into him on the road. Really sick Mach 1. It sounds crazy, bro. The fucking exhaust on these cars are just nasty. He got the orange brakes, so fuck with the kid, bro. That Mach 1's looking real good, bro. Real fucking good. Oh shit, he got the MP Concepts lip too. We twinning.
She driving no Camry, she pulling in a Rover. With her hair so curly, I like she said, what you know about love? I tell you everything. I got what you need. Woke up in the store and get what you want.
Get the guy stretch. Get the guy stretch. Ah!
You seen the 3 convertibles like this?
Yeah, calm down for V6s, brother. Don't ever disrespect like that again. Chad, he's trying to disrespect me. I don't like that right now. You know what I'm saying? We got the Shell power. Powered by Shell. We got to pump a little bit because I was fucking around with the other car, so now I got to pay the price. So when I first came here to Cambria or Morro Bay, my mom brought me here, so I have to bring Clo here. Babe. We finally made it. We're in Cambria right now. About to pump some gas. We're about to hit the Main Street Grill, which is pretty much a doghouse.
Thank you.
Get some good food.
How about you?
Can I do 40 on 3?
Number 3?
Yeah, please.
40?
Yes. Yeah, I like that. What'd you get? What'd you get? All right, she got a little penguin.
A blip.
That's a penguin?
Oh.
Yeah. She got a necklace.
I thought it was a bird, to be honest. But it's
necklace. I got necklace. Favorite spot for a good burger. Y'all come down here to Cambria. You need to come down to the Main Street Grill. Just amazing burgers, great pricing. Overall, just a great vibe. We got front row parking. Look at the S650. Come on. Chloe's changing real quick. I bought her some Forever Flower teddy bear, so Flacco's gonna do me a favor. He's taking some photos of us tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, double back there. Yeah. Chloe, when you see this, you already gotta know. How do you come on down?
I'd rather lie than lose you. I'd rather lie. I'd rather lie than lose you. I'd rather lie.
And guys, so we had a great meal. We walked around Cambria for a little bit, downtown Cambria. Grabbed us some souvenirs. Did a really nice, cool photo booth. We're right here at Moonstone Beach. So beautiful. So yeah, pretty much we're having a good time, man. That's what it's about. Get out there, enjoy your car. Don't worry about how many miles you're putting on it. Don't worry about this and that. Just get out there and live your life, man. More of the story. Guys, my mama and my pops just showed up. We got the Cali Special Mustang sitting out front of the hotel, looking really fucking mean. Well, I'm excited to be out here with my pops, man. Life is short, you gotta enjoy it. You know what I mean? I never know how many times I'm gonna be able to come out of town with my pops with matching Mustangs, so really dope. I'm really glad to have Chloe out here, man. Just a really, really bittersweet moment, man. God is good all the time, guys. All right, guys, we walking into our room. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Not too bad, not too shabby. I got the ocean view. You definitely can see the Morro Bay Rock. It's definitely as pictured. Nice big bed, man. God, I need some sleep, bro. Sheesh. And then we got the ponies down there. Come on now, man. That's how you do it. Sheesh. You got the Mustangs. Then we got the Morro Bay Rock. Sheesh. All right, guys, we just got ready. Come through on some Flylac, man. Y'all go shop Flylac. You know what I mean? Shout out Bevel Cuts for the blend. My baby getting ready, so yeah. It's a good day, man. We gonna get out there. First and foremost, man, we gonna get some tequila going. You know I got the bottle on the rocks in here, man. You know what I mean? You know we got the good reposado. Good reposado, you hear me? Yeah. What's up, guys? It's the next day. It's now Sunday, June 1st. I'm cleaning up the Mustang a little bit, packing up. Got up really early. We're gonna shoot out to the car show. Chloe gotta get some stuff from the store, so I gotta shoot over there really quick. Doing a couple of touch-ups. Shout out to my boy Emilio from Ease Auto Shine. Got me with some tire shine, so I'm gonna wait till that sun come out and then throw the tire shine on. But yeah. Looks really cool to come out in the morning and just see both Mustangs out. Just a bittersweet moment, like I said. It's really, really cool to have it. Really cool to see it. But you know what I'm saying? The vision was just a vision at one point. And the dream was just a dream, you know what I mean? But now, man, I'm more than blessed enough to say this is the reality. You know what I'm saying? Back and forth, but bitch, better watch your tone. Hate me, give me headaches, but I love we give me don't. Got my pops out here and his Mustang. Got my mom out here. Show him the Bronco shirt. She wee wees. Come on, if it ain't forward, it ain't right. I got Chloe in here. We about to take off. Everyone about to hate me right now because we about to start this Mustang, but it is what it is, man. I'm ready to have us a good day. God woke us up again today, man. Always be grateful for another day of life, man. Let's do it. Guys, we're pulling into Pismo right now. Overall, traffic wasn't even that bad. We still hit Walmart, picked up a couple things for Chloe. Whew, I want y'all to peep this fucking S197 Shelby GT 500 though. Custom plate, really nice with the blue stripes. Whew, really nice chrome wheels too. Ooh. We made it. Mama found great parking. Pops Mustang looking good. Got Chloe here with the Bronco shirt. Yeah, Woolie's about to go. Man, looking like a good day though. Alright guys, so we made it down to the beach. We had us a good breakfast. I got my pops, I got Chloe with me. My mom hit the restroom. We waiting on Flacco. We just enjoying the vibes, man. We enjoying the vibes. You know what I'm saying? Got some good Morgan playing. Probably take a little bit of time here, let a couple people get out of the cars and walk up there and get some footage of the cars, get some photos. So yeah, it's been a good one, man. You know what I mean?
But I gotta do something real quick. Bad bitch chillin', I'ma run away, kid. Young nigga turn with a
sheesh. got a speedboat out here. God damn. Sheesh. Got an OG 60.
Yeah.
Sheesh. God damn. Is that low enough for you?
Yeah, we saw a lot like this.
It's on airbags, that's why. Oh, just beautiful. This one won previously, or it won this year, best hot rod. Hoorah. That's a nice 4.3 window coupe. Damn. Hell yeah. Oh. All right. Check out this Z28. Woo. Saying nice and pretty. Two-tone interior. We got the best classic. This one won best classic. Yeah, and I see why. I definitely see it. My goodness. What a beautiful car. All right. Damn. A lot of nice cars out here, guys. Woo, hoo, hoo. Look at this Blazer though. That's a real nice Blazer. I love that color though. Woo. Oh yeah. Well, that's what I'm talking about, boys. Oh damn. Sheesh. This is fire.
We were able to come.
What do you think? She's cold. Oh, my uncle would love this one. Tio Berna, check this one out. You ain't done it like this, Tio. Sheesh. All right. That's what the fuck. We're just walking around. I got my mom, my pops. I got Clo with me. Just a good day. Just good vibes, good vibes. We walking up to the fourth stage right now. Whew. As you can tell, I don't see Chevy around. Do you guys? I don't see Chevy around, but I do see Ford, brother. Knock it off. Come on now. Y'all better respect it. Whew. And you know, Mama got her Bronco. Sheesh. All right, man. So we done went ahead and submitted. We got our free hat. Show your hat, Mama.
Yours, Pops? And yours?
Pops, you gotta swap hats, bro. You gotta put it on.
What is his?
You gotta put it on. That's his.
It's yours.
That's his.
I'm gonna register for mine.
Yeah, go ahead. Sheesh. Guys, we're having a great time. We walked around, did a little lap, got some photos. Yeah, I mean, Chloe's getting a little cold, so we're gonna go back to the beach, but I'm gonna pick me up a shirt. I'm gonna go ahead and get that Pismo Beach Classic with the 6'7" pony on it, so I'm excited. Okay, Mama, say bye to the vlog.
Bye.
Say bye, Pops.
Adios.
All right, guys, so my mama's taking off. Yeah, I mean, my Duke's out of here. Yeah, we're good, Mama. Man, how was your day?
It was good. We didn't really do shit. We went to a cat cafe.
Oh, okay.
You know, chill with the kids.
You got a free photo shoot, though, I heard.
Yeah, free photo shoot by yours truly.
See this sign, and you see this sign, you know you're at the right ice cream shop, man. This is my Spizot. It's a little piece of heaven for me. Where I be coming every time, man. Honest review, honest review. Good? You approve?
How does it feel?
Yeah.